Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC. This comes in a silver exterior and has a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, .4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and C300 badging, power opening and closing trunk, rear seats, memory seats, driver seat controls here, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage in this vehicle is 9,708, and we have a push button ignition, Mercedes-Benz radio and backup camera, climate control, center console, and steering wheel controls. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmanimports.com.